Good afternoon, students. This is K. Abhilash, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department in the Chairpro Engineering College. I deal the subject with hydraulics and hydraulic machines. Now I am going to give a lecture on topic 4, most economical rectangular sections and most economical trapezoidal sections. And based on these topics, I explain also problems in the Unit 1. First one is most economical rectangular section. A section is said to be a most economical section. The most economical section means the most economical sections we have three shape of the channels. Three shape of the channels. Those are rectangular channel, trapezoidal channel, and circular channel. In this class, I will going to explain on rectangle channel and trapezoidal channel. We have three channels: rectangular channel, trapezoidal channel, and the circular channel. Most economical means here we construct these channels either rectangle channel, trapezoidal channel, or circular channel in the economical way. In the economical way means construct in the construction time we construct in the economical way. Economical way means reduce the cost of the construction of the cost. Reduce the construction of the cost. In the construction of the channel, we need to construct in the economical way, in economical mode. For that, reduce the cost of the channel. For economical, for this economically construction of the channel, in the process of the economical construction of the channel, we need to follow the some conditions. Some conditions for each channel you have to design some conditions. Based on that conditions, you are constructed in the economical manner with low cost in the low budget. In our convenience of the low budget of the cost, or in where you need to construct in low cost, you are follow these conditions. By this following these conditions, we are able to construct the channels in the low cost or in the in the economical way. For that, each shape of the channel you have some defined conditions are there. For that, you have derived the conditions and that follow the conditions. After that, we are deriving the problems based on that conditions. First of all, you have derived the conditions for the most economical rectangular channel. This is the rectangle channel here. Here B equal to width of the channel, D equal to depth of the channel, area of the flow or area of the channel, which the water flowing in the rectangle channel, that area overall channel of the rectangle channel area is A equal to formula B into D, breadth into depth. Wetted perimeter of the channel is equal to P equal to D plus B plus D. D D plus B plus D means here B equal to D plus D equal to 2D. D plus D equal to 2D. From the equation 1 equal to A equal to B into D. From the equation 1, we need to find the formula for the breadth. We need to require the formula for the breadth. So A equal to B into D. For in this equation, we need to find out the B value. For that, B equal to capital A by this side D is in the multiplication is come to the denominator. So B equal to capital A by small d. Substituting the value of B in equation 2. Now substituting the value of B in equation 2. So P equal to B plus 2D. Here the B value is A by D. So A by D plus 2D. A by D plus 2D is equal to equation 3. For the most economical sections, we have conditions are there. Wetted perimeter is minimum, and the discharge of the Q will be is maximum. Discharge of the Q will be is maximum. For most economical sections, given cross-section area, slope of the I is resistance quotient is maximum. I is the maximum. Which I value is bed slope of the resistance quotient is maximum. These conditions are there for discharge is passing through economic section of channel for a given cross-section area. Slope of the bed I and resistance quotient is maximum. The discharge Q is given by this from this equation. P equal to AC root Mi. AC into Mi. M equal to hydraulic mean depth. Hydraulic mean depth is ratio of A by ratio of P. Wetted area by wetted P into I. For I is the resistance of quotient. C is the resistance of resistance of quotient. Q equal to K into 1 by root P. Q equal to K into 1 by root P. Here K equal to P equal to AC root Mi equal to K into 1 by root P. From that we write the K equal to AC root AI equal to constant value. Mainly the conditions are follow. Q will be maximum. Discharge water flow of discharge is maximum. Is maximum and wetted perimeter is minimum. When the wetted perimeter is minimum, the water flow is automatically, the discharge is automatically is going to the maximum. And we follow these two conditions for in the construction of the most economical rectangular section, and also follow these conditions in the construction of the most economical rectangular section channel B equal to 2D. It means depth equal to that width is 2 times depth of the flow. We provide the width B is 2 times the depth of the flow. For the economical way, for the construction of economical way, or in the for construction of the low cost, you need to maintain the design equal to you need to maintain this design. Depth of the channel is double to the depth of the channel. So B equal to 2 times the depth of the channel. Like this, we are follow and construction the channel, rectangle channel. Automatically, it's going to be economical way and reduce the cost of the construction of this channel. And also, hydraulic mean depth is equal to half of the depth of the flow. Hydraulic mean depth is equal to D by 2. Maintain the hydraulic mean depth in the construction of process of the construction with the half of the depth of the channel. With the half of the depth of the channel. So here for the most economical section, P should be minimum for given area. Here for that we are differentiate with respect to 0. dP by d into d equal to 0. Here we need to differentiate with respect to d to the wetted perimeter. Differentiation of equation, which is the wetted perimeter, is taken as equation 3. Differentiating the equation 3 with respect to d and equating the same to 0. Now we differentiate with respect to d, the wetted perimeter is equal to 0. d by d into bracket of d into open bracket a by, here comes the value. Here b equal to value is a by d. P equal to, substitute the b value in the equation 2. P equal to a by d plus 2d. P equal to a by d plus 2d. Now differentiate with respect to d. To the p. d by d into d. P value is a by d plus 2d. A by d plus 2d equals 0 over r. Now differentiate with this equation. differentiate with respect to d, a by d is getting a minus d into d is d square, the value is plus value is converted to the minus value minus a d square plus d, d differentiate with respect to d is getting a value of 1. So here minus a by d square plus 2 equal to 0. So minus a equal to this 2 into denominator d square is multiplied and it comes to the right side of the equal is getting the minus 2d square. Now we cancel both sides the minus value, cancel the both sides the minus value, getting the a equal to 2d square. We are getting the a equal to 2d square. Here the area a equal to value is given as formula b into d. So substitute the b into d in the equation a equal to d square, a equal to 2d square, b into d equal to 2d square. So now b into d equal to 2d square is right as b equal to 2d square by here d is in the multiplication is comes to the left side right side of the equal is in the denominator it is in the denominator. So b equal to 2d square by d, here d square and d are cancelled, remaining value is 1d. So b equal to 2d, here the b value is comes as breadth value is comes as a 2d, breadth value b equal to comes as 2d, depth value is d. Now we require to find out the hydraulic mean depth of this channel. Hydraulic mean depth of this channel for the most for in the construction of the time we maintain the m equal to d by 2. For that how to getting the d by 2 value from this equation m equal to a by p. Here area equal to b into d, p wetted perimeter is comes as b plus 2d. Wetted perimeter is comes as b plus 2d, b plus 2d. So here b equal to value is substitute the b value in this equation, 2d into d plus 2d plus 2d. So 2d square by 4d values comes. Now here cancel 2 2 1 are 2 2 2 4 2. So getting the value d square by 2 d square by 2d d square by 2d. Here one denominator d square value and the denominator d square value and denominator d value are cancelled. Finally getting the value d by 2. Finally hydraulic mean depth value m equal to d by 2. So for the most economic for this derivation we find out the values b equal to 2d in the hydraulic mean depth n equal to d by 2. When we are constructing in the rectangle channel, we maintain these rules b equal to 2d. That means breadth of the channel is 2 times the depth of the channel. Hydraulic mean depth value is half of the depth of the channel. Hydraulic mean depth value is half of the depth of the channel. By constructing in the construction time of the rectangle channel for the for the economically constructed with reduce the cost for the low cost of the construction of the channel, we mainly follow these two equations b equal to 2d m equal to d by 2. This is the derivation for the most economical rectangle channel. But based on these conditions, based on these formulas, how to construct the rectangle channel by the problems we are going to see by the problems. First problem on the most economical rectangle section. The question is a rectangle channel of width A with B equal to 4 meters is having a bed slope of 1 in 15 1 in 1500. Find the maximum discharge through the channel. Take C equal to 50. Take C equal to 50. What is the given data in this problem? Width of the channel is 4 meters rectangular for the rectangle channel. Bed slope of the channel. Slope of the channel is given is I value is given 1 by 1500. 1 by 1500. Cheggy's constant of the channel is given as C equal to 50. Find out the maximum discharge of the channel. Here the asking the question is find out the how much discharge of the flow will comes out in the channel that we need to require to find out this problem. From the derivation of the most economical sections, in the previous classes, we are find out the direct directly BD values are given, width, depth of the values are given. From that we are find out the discharge value. But in the most economical sections, we have two conditions are there for construction of the channel: B equal to 2D, M equal to D by 2. The formulas are in the previous classes. For the hydraulic media, the formula is M equal to A by P. But in the most economical rectangular condition, M equal to hydraulic mean depth equal to D by 2. Breadth is equal to 2D. Breadth is equal to 2D. So breadth is also already given as 4 meters value. From that we require to find out the small d value. So B equal to 2D. From that we need to require the value find the value of D. So D equal to B by 2. D equal to this. Here 2 is in the multiplication is go outside left side of the equal is equal to B by 2. Finally comes as what is this D value. We need to require D value D equal to B by 2. Here already B value is given 4 by 2 equal to 2 4 cancel is the remaining value is getting is 2. The diameter is equal to 2 meters. Here the diameter value is equal to we are getting here 2 meters. Breadth value is already given as 4 meters. By substituting the D value in the formula of hydraulic mean depth M equal to D by 2, D value is 2 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 by 2 equal to 1.0 meters. We are getting the value hydraulic mean depth value is 1 meters. Breadth of the channel is 4 meters is already given. Depth of the channel is getting as value 2 meters. From this, we need to find out the area of the most economical rectangular channel. So here, area formula is equal to B into D. B into D. Here B value is already given as 4 meters into D value. Depth value is we are finding the depth value. That value is 2 meters. Multiply these two terms. B in 4 into 2 equal to 8 meters. So area is of the most economical rectangle channel is getting as A equal to 8 meters. A equal to 8 meters. Now by here the asking the question find the maximum discharge of the channel. For that we have maximum discharge value. We have the equation Q equal to AC root Mi. Q equal to AC root Mi. Here A equal to area we are getting here 8 into C value, which is constant value is already given in the formula is 50 root of into root of M value hydraulic mean depth value is we are getting here 1.0 into I value small I value bed of the slope of the value is already given in the formula which is 1 by 1500. So multiply these all terms finally getting as 10.328 meter cube per second. 10.328 meter cube per second. This is the maximum discharge of the channel which was asking in the question. How much we will be getting 10.328 meter cube per second. This is the model problem on the most economical rectangular channel. Next model problem we are going to see rectangular channel have rectangular channel have discharge. In this problem, in previous problem, bed slope is high 1 in 2000 meters. Find the most economical dimensions of the channels. We are giving the in the previous problem dimensions are given and slope of the bed of the channel is given, series constant given. Find the discharge of the channel in the previous problem. But in this problem, is giving the discharge value. How much discharge value? Bed slope of the channel value is given. Series constant value is given. By these conditions, for the most economical rectangle channel, we have the conditions either width equal to b equal to 2d, hydraulic mean depth m equal to d by 2d. These are the conditions which for the most economical rectangle channel. By these values, here we need to find out the discharge. We need to find out the dimensions of the economical sections. Here, all in the previous problem asked the discharge value, but in this problem is given discharge value. Find the dimensions b, d values. The dimensions of the most economical sections is depth. We need to require in this problem. Here ask the dimensions. We ask for the dimensions of the channel b value and d value. So how to calculate the b value and d value? For that, first we need to require the find out the area of the flow A equal to B into D. Here the conditions are there, B equal to 2D, M equal to D by 2. For the substitute the values, in the B value, we substitute the value 2D into D square, 2D into D is equal to D square. The area of the flow is equal to 2D square. Here for the discharge formula, Q equal to AC root My. So here discharge value is given is 4 liters per second. For converting into meter cube per second, we divided the value with 1000. So 400 by 1000 is equal to 0.4 meter cube per second. So discharge value equal to 0.4 meter, 0.4 equal to A equal to is getting here 2D square into C value is already given in the formula problem 50 equal to hydraulic mean depth m equal to formula d by 2 into I value is given, bed slope of the I value 1 by 2000. From this 2 into 2 into d square into 50 into root of d by 2 into 1 by 2000 is getting like this 2 into 50 root of 1 by 2 into 2000 d power 5 by 2. This whole value is getting as 1.581 d power 5 by 2. So finally, we are writing as 0.4 equal to 1.581 d power 5 by 2. In this equation, we need to require the value of d value. We need to require the d value. For that, d power 5 by 2 is equal to 0.4 by here 1.581 is comes to the denominator. So this value 0.4 by 1.581 value is equal to 0.253. So here d equal to 5 by 2 equal to 0.253. Here we require the value of d value. So d equal to 0.253 is in the denominator of pi by 2 is converted into the comes to the right hand side is reverse it is converted into the reverse condition. So d equal to 0.253 whole power 2 by 5 whole power 2 by 5. So this value is getting as 0.577 meters. 0.577 meters. So this is the value of diameter equal to d equal to 0.577 meters. Now find out the breadth of the channel value. What is the formula for the breadth of the channel? B equal to 2d. B equal to 2d. Now substitute the d value in this equation. B equal to 2 into 0.577. 2 into 0.577. Getting the b value is 1.154 meters. Now we are find the width of the channel value is 1.154 meters. Depth of the channel value is 0.577 meters. So here what is asking the question, find the most economical dimensions. The most economical dimensions are width of the channel and breadth of the channel. Width of the channel value is 1.154 meters. Depth of the channel value is 0.577 meters. This is the one of the example problem on the rectangle, most economical rectangle section. Next problem. Next derivation is most economical trapezoidal sections. For the most economical trapezoidal section, here theta is the angle made by the theta is the angle made by the theta is the angle made by the sides of the horizontal. Theta is the here theta is the angle made by the sides of the horizontal. Length B equal to breadth of the channel, ND is the sides of the channel. Both sides take as ND. Now the slope of the side slope of the given as one horizontal to n, one vertical to n horizontal, one vertical to n horizontal here. Now find out the area of the flow. Area of the flow in the channel, capital A equal to BC plus AD by 2. BC means bottom width of the channel, AD means top width of the channel. So area for find of the area of the channel, you need to calculate BC plus AD by 2 into small d. Small d means depth of the channel. Small d is depth of the channel. BC is the bottom width of the channel. AD is the top width of the channel. So BC value is given as small b plus AD value is given as AD value is b plus small b plus 2nd. Small b plus 2nd. Here side slope is given as 1 in vertical and n in horizontal. So 1 in vertical and n in horizontal. So AD top width of channel is getting as b plus 2nd. B plus 2nd. If the side is length is nd, both sides are nd is same. So b plus b b plus bracket of b plus nd by 2 into d. So 2 b plus b equal to 2b plus 2nd by 2 into d. Here 2 is becomes a common. 2 is becomes a common, b plus nd into d. 2 are both denominator 2 and numerator 2, denominator 2 are cancelled here. Finally getting p plus nd into d. So a equal to b plus nd into d. Here d is in the multiplication, so it's come to the left side of the equality is getting as a by d equal to b plus nd. A by d equal to b plus nd. From this equation we require to find out the small b value. We require to find out the small b value. From this equation, b equal to AD minus ND. B small b equal to this AD. AD is come to the right side, is getting minus value AD minus ND. This is the formula for the small b, bottom width of the channel. Now find out the wetted perimeter of the channel. Wetted perimeter of the channel. P equal to AB plus BC plus CD. AB plus BC plus CD. This is the wetted perimeter of the channel. Here AB and CD are both are same. So both are same. Both are have same equal values. So we take as AB plus BC plus 2CD. Here AB also equal to CD. So we take as BC equal BC plus 2CD. But BC equal to value of small b plus 2CD. We need to require the find out the value of CD. For that we use the Pythagoras theorem. B plus 2 into root of C square plus D square. C square plus D square. Here B plus 2 into CE square means N in ND. N CE CE length is equal to ND. So in the CE square place sub the value ND is getting as N square into D square. D is the value of small d. Na D place substitute the value of D, so getting D square. So finally b plus 2 into root of n square d square plus d square. So b plus getting the value here, substitute common the d value in n square d square plus d square, we common the d value, so it's getting like this d plus 2d root of n square plus 1 n square plus 1. Now substituting the b value from the equation 2, you get from the equation 2 you substitute the b value in this equation, in this vector perimeter equation. Substitute the b value is p equal to a by d minus nd, a by d minus nd plus 2d into root of n square plus 1, 2d into root of n square plus 1. For the most economical section, p should be minimum. For the most economical section condition as maintain the p should be minimum, that automatically the discharge value is maximum. So for that for the getting of minimum value, here you need to require the differentiate the p value with respect to d and is equal to 0. So d into d, here p value is vector perimeter value is a by d minus nd plus 2d root of n square plus 1 equal to 0. So differentiate the d with respect to a by d is getting as minus d into d square, a by d square. D into d is getting value 1, getting the value is 1 minus into n plus 2 into d with respect to d is getting the value 1. So here root of n square plus 1. Finally differentiate value is minus a by d square minus n plus 2 into root of n square plus 1 equal to 0. Here n is equal to constant value. Here n is a constant value. So minus a by d square minus n is equal to, this value is getting to the right side of the equal, minus 2 into root of n square plus 1. Here minus and minus are cancelled, so minus value is multiply with this equation, minus a d square minus into minus plus into n equal to minus 2 into root of n square plus 1. Here minus minus cancel, finally getting the value is a by d square plus n equal to 2 into root of n square plus 1. Substituting the value of a from equation 1, substituting the value of a from equation 1. From equation 1, the value of a is b plus n into d, b plus n into d. Now substitute the value of a, b plus n into d in this equation. B plus n into d by d square plus n equal to 2 into root of n square plus 1. 2 into root of n square plus 1. Now here d square value in the numerator d value is cancelled, getting b plus nd by d plus n equal to 2 into root of n square plus 1. Finally getting value. Now multiply this value n into d is getting b plus nd by d is equal to B plus ND equal 2D by 2 equal to root of 2 into root of n square plus 1. N square plus 1. Finally is getting the value here. B plus ND to multiply this value. B is 2 is comes to denominator, D is comes to this value. B plus ND by 2 into D into n square plus 1. This is the final value. This is the final value is getting B plus ND by 2 equal to D into root of n square plus 1. B plus 2ND by 2 is equal to half of the top bit. B plus ND by 2 is the half of the top bit. The half of the top bit is getting as B plus ND by 2. D into root of n square plus 1 equal to CD value. CD value equal to D into root of n square plus 1. One of the sloping of the side. B plus 2ND by 2 is half of the top bit. D into root of n square plus 1 is equal to CD value. Equal to CD. Now for the most segment section, which is the expression half of the top of the width must be equal to the one of the sloping side of the channel. Must we follow this rule? Half of the top width of the channel is equal to one of the sliding side of the channel. For that, it is getting to the most economical section. In the construction of the most economical section, we require to follow these rules for economically construction and reduce the cost of the construction or in the low cost budget. We require to follow these rules. We are getting in the low cost budget of the project. B plus half of the top width is equal to one of the sloping side. So half of the top width is equal here B plus 2ND by 2. One of the sloping side equal to D into root of n square plus 1. Next, find out the hydraulic mean depth value. Hydraulic mean depth value is m equal to A by P. M equal to A by P. In the previous problem, m equal to A by P. In the previous problem, on the equation 1, B plus into B plus 2ND is getting B plus ND into D is the area. In the we are equation getting B plus ND into D is the area. P equal to we required to find out the P value. P value is getting here 2 into B plus ND. 2 into B plus ND. 2 into B plus ND. B plus 2 2D root of n square plus 1. We are getting P equal to 2D plus and we are getting the value B plus 2D into root of n square plus 1. Here the value area B plus ND into D. Rated perimeter value P value is B plus 2D root of n square plus 1. From that we required to find out the P value. P plus 2D root of n square plus 1 equal to P plus whole bracket of P plus 2ND. P plus 2ND. P plus 2ND. So here B equal to value is B equal to getting value is P equal to B plus B bracket of B plus 2ND. So we are getting 2B plus 2ND. 2B plus 2ND. Count the value of 2. 2 into B plus ND. 2 into B plus ND. 2 into B plus ND. Now substitute the values in the hydraulic mean depth value formula A by B. B plus ND into D by 2 into b plus nd. Here b plus nd are cancelled. It's getting the value d by 2 is the formula for the hydraulic wind depth. For this, for the three sides of trapezoidal section of most economical section tangential is semicircular described on the water line. Provide the trapezoidal channel most economical section. The three sides are in the water line. The three sides in the water line are also the factoring effect to the most economical section. For that you need to find out the that values also, that angle values also, how much angle you is getting here, that values also you need to require to find out. The theta equal to angle made by the sloping side with horizontal, and O is the center of the top bit of the channel. Angle is the angle made by sloping side of the horizontal. From the side of the horizontal, angle made is theta. O is the center of the top bit of the channel. Top bit equal to AD. The center of the AD of O. Draw the OF perpendicular to the sloping of the side AB. OF is the perpendicular to the sloping of the side AB. Now the getting angle is triangle. Now the triangle getting triangle OAF triangle. Getting the triangle OAF triangle, right angle triangle, as angle of OAF equal to theta. In the triangle OAF, the angle is equal to OAF. So the angle is here OF equal to AO sin theta. OF equal to OF. This perpendicular value is OF equal to AO into angle is getting as here sin theta. Now find out the angle of sin theta value. Sin theta equal to OF by OA. OF by OA. Sin theta equal to in the triangle A. The triangle AEB. Now take the triangle AEB. AEB. The triangle AEB sin theta. Here theta is angle made sin theta equal to AE by AB. AE by AB. AE equal to his value is small d. AB is the value is getting as d square root of d square. AB equal to root of from the Pythagoras theorem, root of b square plus EB equal to EB distance is n square d square. From that d square is in common here, so d by d is common here, so d by d equal to 1 plus remaining value is 1 plus n square. In the numerator and denominator, d values are cancelled. Finally, you are getting 1 by root of 1 plus n square. 1 by root of 1 plus n square. If sin theta value is getting as 1 by root of 1 plus n square. It is getting as equation 4. Sin theta equal to 1 by root of 1 plus n square, equation 4. Now, OF equal to AO into sin theta is equal to sin theta value is 1 by root of 1 plus n square. AO is the half of the top weight. So B plus 2nd by 2 equal to D into root of n square plus 1. From the equation 16.11. So OF equal to, you need to find out the value of OF, D into root of n square by n square plus 1. Here n square plus 1 and n square plus 1 cancel is equal to the depth of the flow. Here OF is equal to depth of the flow. OF value is equal to depth of the flow value. So here B plus 2nd by 2 is equal to D of root of n square plus 1. For semicircular conditions, the most economical channel, we need to find out these rules, you need to follow these rules. B plus 2md by 2 equal d into root of n square plus 1. Small m equal to d by 2. Small m equal to d by 2. Hydraulic mean depth equal to d by 2 here. Semicircle drawn from 0 O to O with radius equal to depth of flow will touch the three sides of the channel. Semicircle is drawn with the reference of the O and touch the three sides of the channel. This is the conditions for the most economical trapezoidal section. Finally, we follow these two conditions for the construction of the most economical section. B plus 2nd by 2 is equal to d root n square plus 1 m equal to d by 2. Based on these conditions, how to construct the trapezoidal section by the going to see by the one of the problem. Trapezoidal channel has This is the problem. The trapezoidal channel has side slope is small and equal to 1 horizontal by 2 vertical. So side slope is equal to 1 by 2 into d. The bed of the slope is equal to 1 in 1500, 1 by 1500. 1 by 1500. Area of the section is also given. Area of the section is given in the problem 40 meter square. The area of the section is equal to 40 meter square. Physics constant value is already given. C equal to 50. For the most economical section, the conditions we have the two conditions previously set. B plus 2 and d by 2 equal to b into root of n square plus 1 m equal to d by 2. So first condition, we take the first condition. B plus 2 and by 2 equal to d into root of n square plus 1. B plus 2 into n value is given 1 by 2 into d by 2. D into root of here n value is given 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. Now is getting b plus here 2 and denominator and numerator 2 to cancel. B plus d by 2 d into substitute the value n value is 1 by here 2 are cancelled. So b plus d by 2 equal to d into root of 1 by 2 square equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 is getting b plus d by 2 equal to d into root of 1 by 4 plus 1. So b equal to here b plus d equal to 2 into this value is getting as 1.118 d 1 plus 118 d. So b plus d by 2 equal to 1.118 into d. So you need to require to b plus d equal to d value. B plus d equal to 2 into 1 plus 1.118 d. So b equal to 2 into 1.118 d. This plus d value is coming to the right hand side of the equal is getting as minus d. Finally 2 into 1.118 d minus d. 2 into 1.118 d minus d equal to is getting the value 1.236 d. So b equal to value is b equal to 1.236 d. 1.236 d. But now find out the area of the trapezoidal channel. Formula for the area of the trapezoidal channel in the equation b plus nd into d. b plus nd into d. b plus whole bracket of b plus 2nd by 2 into d. Here b plus nd into d is the formula for the area of the trapezoidal channel. So here b is the value. B value is getting as 1.236 d. The n value is already given 1 by 2. So substitute the values in the area formula. 1.236 d plus 1 by 2 into d into n value 1 by 2 into d into d. So this value is 1.236 d plus 1.2 into d square is 1.736 d square. 1.736 d square. But here the already in the formula is given area value is 40 meter square. 40 meter square. So 40 equal to 40 equal to 1.736. 40 equal to 1.736 d square. From this equation, we need to find out the d value. D equal to root of 40 by 1.3736. D equal to root of 40 by 1.736. Finally, d value is getting as 4.80 meters. 4.80 meters. The substitute d value in the equation 1, b equal to 1.236 into d, b equal to 1.236 into 4.80. 4.80. Finally, b value is getting here 5.933 meters. So here we are getting the values of b value and d value. D value is 4.80 meters, b equal to 5.933 meters. Now find out the discharge of the channel. Determine the in the question is asked as determine the discharge of the most economical trapezoidal channel. For this most economical trapezoidal channel, we need to find out the discharge value. So m equal to for that m equal to hydraulic mean depth d by 2 equal to d equal to 4.80 by 2. M equal to value is getting 2.40 meters. Now the discharge value q equal to AC root my formula. A is the 40 into C is the already series constant value is given 50 into root of hydraulic mean depth value m equal to 2.40. I value, small I value is already given in the formula 1.1 by 1500. Finally, calculate this value is getting a 80 meter cube per second. The discharge of the channel is 80 meter cube per second. This is the one of the more example problem. Next problem. This problem is giving the side slope of the channel is 3 by 4. Side slope of the channel 3 by 4. And bed slope of the channel, slope of the bed equal to 1 by 2000. Discharge is given 0.5 meter cube per second. Series constant value is given 80 meters. For these conditions, for the most economical conditions is b plus 2nd by 2 equal to d into root of n square plus 1. Here b equal to width of the section, d equal to depth of the flow. Substitute the and small n value in this equation. b plus 2 into 3 by 4 d by 2 d into root of n square value 3 by 4 whole square plus 1 is equal to finally is getting the value equal to 5 by 4 d. So b plus from this from the left side of the equality is getting b plus 1.5 d by 2 equal to 1.2 d. Finally getting the value b plus 1.5 d by 2 equal to 1.2 d. B equal to 2 into 1.2 d 1.25 d minus required the value is b value. So b equal to 2 into 1.25 d. This plus value is coming to the equal to coming to the right side of the equal is getting the minus value minus 1.5 d. Finally b equal to d 2.2 into 1.25 equal to 2.50 minus 1.50. 2.50 2 into 1.5 d is equal to 2.50 d minus 1.50 d, getting the value equal to d value. So b equal to d here. The discharge equation is q equal to AC root mi. In this problem, discharge q is value is already given 0.5 meter cube per second. For the most economical hydraulic section, hydraulic mean depth equal to m equal to small d by 2. Small d by 2. Substitute the m value and other values in the equation 2. So q value is 0.5. A into series constant value 80 into root of m value d by 2 into I value equal to 1 by 2000. In this problem, we asked the dimensions of the channel. Dimensions means breadth of the channel and the depth of the channel. So area, you need to find out the area. area formula A equal to B plus N into D. B plus N into D. Here B equal to D, N equal to 3 by 2. So substitute the values B equal to D plus N 3 by 2 into D. So 4D, here denominator 4 into D plus 3D by D. So 4 plus 3 equal to 7 by D. 7 by 4 into D. 7 by 4 into D into out of the bracket is also 1D. D into D is D square. So 7 by 4 D square equal to 7 by 4 equal to 1.75 D square. 1.75 D square. So the area of the trapezoidal section is A equal to 1.75 D square. Now substituting the value of A in the equation 3, 0.5 equal to 1.75 d square into 80 into root of d by 2 into 1 by 2000. This value is getting 2.2135 d power 5 by 2. 2.2135 d power 5 by 2. Now you need to find out the d value. D equal to 0.50 by 2.2135 into this power. In this power, the value is in the reverse condition, getting to the reverse condition. So 2 by 5, this value is 0.55 mm, 0.55 meters, 0.55 meters. So d value is getting 0.55 meters. Here, in this condition, the b value is getting formula b equal to d. So breadth of the channel and depth of the channel in this condition both are is equal to 0.55 meters. Both are same. Alternate dimensions of the channel are width depth equal to 0.55 meters. Here, in this condition, discharge value is given, side slope value given, and slope of the body value given, series constant value given. By the using these conditions, b plus nd by 2 equal to 2 into 2 root n square plus 1 m equal d by 2. We are finding the dimensions of the channel. In previous problems, dimensions are given, b into b value, d value given, and asking the discharge value. In this problem, dimensions giving a discharge value and asking the dimensions of b value and d value. Here b equal to b value, d value both are coming as same 0.55 m. These are the problems. These are the problems are on the most economical sections of the rectangle channel and the most economical sections of the trapezoidal channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving this class.